In this particular equation or question, we're given the equation 3y is equal to 6x, and we first need to write the equation in slope-intercept form and then determine what the slope and the y-intercept is. Just to make sure we know, slope-intercept form should be written in the form of y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, meaning rise over run, and b is the y-intercept. So let's get started. Over here we have the equation 3y is equal to 6x. Right now, this is not written in slope-intercept form because the variable y is not all by itself. So what we're going to do is get it by itself, and one way to do that is first maybe think of this equation as having a left side and a right side. On the left side, we have 3y, and on the right side, we have 6x. We want this y to be by itself, so what I'm going to do is think about what inverse operation do I see between the 3 and the y to undo that, or to get y by itself. 3y means 3 times y, so to undo that operation, I'm going to divide by 3. Whatever I do to one side of the equation, I must also do to the other, so I'm also going to divide everything over here by 3. 3y divided by 3 will just give us y, and then 6x divided by 3 will give us 2x. That's 6 divided by 3 gives us 2, and we're left with the x. So our equation will be y is equal to 2x. Notice we don't see a y-intercept or a plus b, so technically you can also write the equation as y equals 2x plus 0, so you can clearly see what the y-intercept is. So down here, let's go ahead and name the slope. The slope will be 2 because it's a coefficient with the variable x, and the y-intercept will be 0.